Today we're going to look at simple interest with the Desmos calculator. As a reminder, our formula is I equals PRT, where I stands for interest, P is the principal or present value, R is the interest rate, which we will always write as a decimal, and then T is going to be the time, and we want to express that in terms of years. So let's say we had $250 at 8% interest for 3 months. Notice the 8% I write as 0.08, and 3 months I write as 3 over 12. So we're going to type in 250 times 0.08 times 3 over 12. I'm using the parentheses in this particular example to show that I'm doing multiplication, and the parentheses kind of gather the terms where I can see them better. I could have also just put 250 and then hit the multiplication sign, and 0.08 and then hit the multiplication sign and do 3 over 12. They mean the same thing, just a matter of what I thought focused my eyes better for this one. Both cases I could see I got $5. Let's do one more example. This time I'm going to solve for the interest rate. So I said that the interest is 15, the present value is 400, and the time is going to be 6 months, which is 6 over 12. I need to isolate the R, which means get it all by itself, before I try to put this in the calculator to solve. I'm going to take the 400 and the 6 over 12 and move them to the left side. So I'm going to take the 15, I'm going to divide it by 400, so I'm doing the opposite operation. It was being multiplied on the right, which means I'm dividing on the left. And now the R is alone. In Desmos, I'm going to start with the 15 divided by, and I have 400, and then I multiply that by 6 divided by 12. No need to put parentheses around the whole denominator. I can see it is physically in the denominator, so sometimes just watching by sight, you can tell if it moved outside of the denominator or not. I have an answer, which is 0.075, and this is a decimal, so let's just go back and say this also to finish this one off, we're going to say R was equal to 0.075. That's a decimal. If we would like to have as a percent, we're going to move the decimal place 2 to the right, which gives us 7.5, and then we write the percent. So I hope that's helpful, and that you'll come back and watch more videos on the financial chapter.